Chapter 15, Sample Problem Number 2. Of the 4 cubes shown below, white cubes A and C are made of the same material, and gray cubes B and D are made of the same material, but different from the first two. Each cube has a uniform density. The ranking of cube size is that C is the same as D, which are bigger than A, which are bigger than B. But A and B have the same mass. That's going to be important. And then we say not ranking, but we say, is the mass of C greater than, less than, or equal to the mass of D? So let's start giving some terms to things. Let's say that these both have mass M, and that this has mass MC, and that this has mass MD. The mass of D will be the density of D times its volume. And I'm going to say that has volume V. And of course then, since C and D are the same, C also has volume V. Whereas A has a volume which is V sub A, and B has a volume which is V sub B. And so we can say, well, D is the density times the volume for D, and C, of course, is the density, the mass of C is the density of C times the volume. So we can take the ratio, and we can say that the mass of D over the mass of C is in the same order as the density of D over the density of C, but we're told that C is the same as A, and that D is the same as B. So the ratio of masses of D and C are the ratio of densities B and A. But B has as much mass in a smaller area, and since in general density is mass over volume, a smaller volume means a larger density. So we have that the density of B is greater than the density of A. There's the same amount of stuff packed into a smaller space. So this is greater than 1, which means that the mass D is greater over mass C is greater than 1, or the mass of D is greater than the mass of C. So the correct answer for this will be C is less than D.